Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the explosive Khago diss track Dark Up the Place that takes aim at Shawn Storm, and even Kartel gets a piece of the action. This track is an all-out lyrical assault. The razor-sharp wordplay, Dark Up the Place, leaves no room for subtlety, dissing both Shawn Storm and Kartel. Check out these standout lyrics. Dark up the place, dark copy place, haha, sets a mocking tone right off the bat. Then lines like, chip glock, chip glock, chip glock on the guard, oh them liars, showcase street level grit. Circle on the guards and kill Shawn Storm for Kartel, cause guards are no like him. Hits hard with its confrontational vibe. The track even disses Kartel with biting commentary and the chilling refrain, welcome to Suicide Street. I know freedom's free, let him out and taste defeat. Drives home the ruthless energy. What really stands out is how the track blends aggressive beats with incisive lyrics that tear into its targets. It's raw, unfiltered, and full of attitude. A true no-holds-barred diss that leaves both Shawn Storm and Kartel feeling it. I'm giving Dark Up the Place an 8/10. If you're into bold, unapologetic lyrical battles, this one's a must listen. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.